Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in order to join the Glam fam. I would love to have you a part of the family. On this channel I share a ton of different beauty tips, hacks, and tricks. And hey, today I have a great one for you all that I wanted to pop in and share with you all. So just make sure that you stay tuned in and continue watching. Now, I'm pretty sure that you've heard of apple cider vinegar somewhere. This is basically a phenomenon that helps with a whole lot of home remedies, body remedies, a whole lot of different things. If you're not familiar with apple cider vinegar, hey, I need for you to continue watching this video because this is definitely something that you need to know about. Not only for the health benefits that it offers, but also for the way that it can help to improve your body. So let's continue talking about it. Now, before I share with you all one of the main reasons people use apple cider vinegar, let me share with you all a few great things that it is also amazing for. Managing high blood sugar, resolving indigestion problems, strengthening immunity, which is very necessary during this time, of course, as we all know. And it can also help you with having good skin and hair. Now, something else that a lot of us use apple cider vinegar for is weight loss. Why? Because it yields tremendous results, okay? It gives you beautiful results, and it helps to get that weight off of you very fast, okay? Now, a lot of people may wonder why this works. Why does apple cider vinegar cause you to lose weight at such a rapid pace? And today, that's what we're talking about. A few of the reasons that it helps you to lose weight are because of these few things. It helps to boost your metabolism, which a slow metabolism is why a lot of us start to pack on the pounds. So once you take that sip of apple cider vinegar once a day, it will help you to get a faster metabolism. It helps to lower your blood sugar. Now, you get the best results from apple cider vinegar lowering your blood sugar when you consume it at night. It helps to reduce belly fat storage, which is an amazing way in order to shed a few pounds. And it also helps you to burn more body fat, which is very beneficial, of course. It sounds like exactly what it is. You shed off more pounds than you typically would without taking apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar has 0 carbs and only 3 calories per tablespoon. Now, one thing that you must always remember whenever consuming apple cider vinegar is never to take apple cider vinegar alone, okay? It's something that you typically want to mix with something like water, something to dilute, basically. So, just because you hear me say 1 tablespoon does not mean that you just want to go take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar alone and go on about your day. You're going to regret it. I have actually did this before, and boy oh boy did it burn the back of my throat. It burned so bad, you guys. So make sure that you're mixing it with water for the best result. And it can also severely affect the enamel of your teeth, okay? So if you don't want no rotten teeth, this is not a good idea. Now, apple cider vinegar has helped a lot of people to overcome their struggle with weight. I know from personally watching my mom take apple cider vinegar when I was younger, and my mom shed a lot of weight from just taking apple cider vinegar and staying hydrated. I mean, she lost a lot of pounds, okay? Now, there are 2 ways that you can consume apple cider vinegar. Some people prefer to consume apple cider vinegar early in the morning before they even start their day on an empty stomach, and some prefer to take it at night before bed. The best way to consume apple cider vinegar is first thing in the morning with some lukewarm water. This is going to yield you the best results, of course, because you don't have anything else on your stomach and you haven't went throughout your whole entire day. This is going to help you to shed off the pounds extremely fast. This will help it to maintain your body's pH levels, boost your metabolism, and increase your stamina throughout the day. So you're going to have more energy than usual going throughout your day-to-day life, which is amazing. So hey, if you have not tried apple cider vinegar before for weight loss, what are you waiting on? Make sure that you check out apple cider vinegar down below. This is a life-changing experience that you are not going to regret, and it's going to help you to get amazing results, especially for the rest of summer, okay? You're going to be feeling yourself. I'm your girl Maddie, sharing with you amazing beauty tips, hacks, and tricks to help you to improve your body and your overall life. If you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button in order to join the Glam fam. I would love to have you a part of the family. Over here I share a ton of amazing information and I don't want you to miss out on it. If you don't have anything else to comment down below, make sure that you comment some emojis for your girl, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.